haven't done an unboxing in a while, so. Okay, oh nice. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, oh. Look at the page that I'm opening this. Literally, I did not mean to do this. Look at the page. Okay, nice. Really sure how to open this. There we go. I'm sure there is an easy way to do this. Okay. That's one. Oh, it's gorgeous. Very nice. Very nice. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I can smell them already. I can smell them already, you guys. Okay, that's one. Okay, they already smell amazing. How am I? Oh, okay, okay. Okay. It says that I'm supposed to pull up, push here. How? There you go. It's the easiest way for me. Look at that. Oh, you guys, look at that. This is the Atlas rose. Oh, I love that. Yes. I love these. I love them. I love them. I love them. I have the perfect spot for this, you guys. I gotta get new containers. This is a great excuse for me to go get some containers. Oh, these are going to be gorgeous. I already know where they're going, and I already know what kind of vibe, what kind of container I'm going to be getting for these. Aren't these precious? Aren't these precious? So after thinking about it, I decided that I am going to be placing the Atlas roses in one of my flower beds. I got the containers and I sort of put it together where I thought that I wanted them originally, but I didn't like the position where they were. So I walked around and I found a good spot for them where I have been cleaning out to add new perennials, and I think that they're going to be perfect here. This spot right here is full with boxwoods and quick fire hydrangeas and a regular plum bush that I have been cleaning at the bottom and just leaving the top flower and leaf out. I have a lilac that the blooms got a little bit fried with the last minute snow that we had, and actually this path right here, it's going to be a huge project for me very soon. We have grass here, but we also have a dog that loves to run around, and during the winter months he runs around our backyard, and this spot right here just gets trash. And every spring I'm either adding more grass or trying to make it work, and I am just done. I am thinking about adding some sort of stepping stones to match the other side where I have my stepping stone path. I'm still thinking about it. I got a couple of options. I just want to make it easier for myself, and hopefully I can show you that soon. But I think the spot right there under the plum bush is going to be perfect for the roses. So it has been raining non-stop for the last couple of days, and you just saw me do the unboxing, but that was actually a couple of days ago. I had to stop because rain was coming. I went and looked for containers that I ended up not using anyways. So this area right here is full of tulip leaves. I'm just waiting for them to die on their own, and that way I can come and clean it up so that they can return next year. But I know I'm just gonna have to sacrifice a few tulips because they will be right where I want these roses to go. And also, it got hot really quick. I feel like one weekend we were in the 40s, 50s, the next weekend we jump into the 70s, and today it's like almost 80 degrees outside. It's definitely sandal weather right now. So I am going to show you how I'm going to put this here. I think I have some rose tone from Spoma left. If not, I have a plain tone for sure, and I'll show you how I do this. I have perennials and other things coming through here, so I definitely don't want to kill any of that. With fabric is great if you know you are never going to plant anything there. If you just want to completely block the weeds and do it quick, get some great quality wood fabric, and then you'll be good to go. However, if you know that you're going to be planting perennials and whatnot there, don't ever use wood fabric. I mean, I created my own struggles earlier, and I don't know, 2 or 3 years ago. You know what? I'm just going to have to get rid of you. Just want to make sure they get enough sun. So that's the roses, you guys. Let me give you an update on the sweet peas and the sugar snap peas. So here are the sweet peas, you guys, the flowers. They are doing great, I think. Last year I grew them from seed, but they didn't, they were killed by some really cold weather towards the beginning when I took them out. So they never really grew for me. So this year, they're doing great. The weather has been great. I think that we're good to go now, hopefully, because I got all of my tomatoes out already. But I think they're doing great. They're spreading out, they're branching out. I trimmed them just like you would snapdragons or Coleus, and I think they're going to be good here. And the sugar snap peas, the ones that you eat, are doing amazing, you guys. I mean, they are definitely doing a lot better than they did last year. If you remember last year, the trellis that I used was made out of hydrangea cuttings from the pruning that I gave them. and those cuttings, those sticks, those branches were rooting. And I believe that the peas and the hydrangea cuttings were both fighting for nutrients from the soil. So I don't think that the peas had a huge change of developing well. But this year I went the safe route. I used bamboo sticks to make a teepee trellis. I think you can watch the video for that if you like. Super easy to do. And they're doing amazing. Any day now, I see a few flowers now, but any day I know that I'll be coming out here and finding a few of the peas there already. Do you guys remember my beautiful Coleus that I started from seed indoors? This is it. I don't know why I have the worst time hardening off Coleus, you guys. They grow fine indoors. They grow beautifully. You remember how it looked like here, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago? Well, last year it did the same thing for me. I took it outside gently and slowly, just like everything else that I grow inside, and it died. So this year I thought, okay, I am going to take some extra time to spend it, you know, taking care of the Coleus, because apparently it's a little bit trickier or more sensitive than other plants as far as coming out, you know, outside. So that's what I did. While I took everything else, you know, half an hour for the first few days, Coleus was getting 5 minutes here, 5 minutes there. And still, it looks like it went through the worst possible heat or cold or anything. And believe me, I was trying to take care of it. These ones, yeah, they're done. These guys over here, these 4 right here, may be the ones that make it. I do see some like new leaves coming out. Hopefully those make it. If not, I'm freaking over it. 2 years in a row I have been trying to do this and they just die on me. So yeah, next year I am just going to spend my $20-$30 and get a bunch of Coleus already started, and I'm going to be good with it. If you guys have any tips for me as far as not growing Coleus but taking it outside, I mean, I am not kidding you. I took really good care of it this time around. But apparently Coleus hates me. Oh well.